What's up guys, I'm Aaron from Twins Garage. Here in this week's video, I'm going to be working on the body of the Subaru. I have a show coming up in about a week at the Children's Hospital in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and they're allowing Christmas decorations and lights and all kinds of stuff on cars, so getting the car decorated right now. Got a little bit of body work I want to finish up. I'm not going to finish it because clearly I'm not going to paint the car in a week, but I want to get some of the rust finished, and then I'm just going to probably primer. So I got a few things I need to finish up on the Subaru, and then I still got a lot of decorating I want to do to it. Sorry I didn't get a video uploaded last week. I made the video, I decided not to upload it. I haven't really done much. The garage hasn't changed much. I mean, it's been cold and I've been working a lot, so we haven't really done much, but gotta get stuff done this weekend. So let me show you what I got done so far to the Subaru. Got a Christmas tree mounted up on top. I'm gonna get some more lights, and I'm gonna wrap some lights around the wing. But I have a right now I have it all run off a extension cord. But I have a power inverter, which I'm gonna run the extension cord through the back door here and plug it into the cigarette outlet. So let's see. I got this just taped on here for mock-up purposes to see what it would look like. I sure really like it. It looks good. Yeah, anyways, I gotta get this finished decorated. I'm going to probably put some more lights up there, get the car looking pretty good for the show at the Children's Hospital. It's for kids. What's up guys? The weekend is coming to an end. It's pretty late Sunday night right now, and I have to get up pretty early for work. So I wanted to talk a little bit. I didn't get much done car-wise this weekend, planned on it, but we ended up just hanging out and talking instead of working on our cars. However, Andrew and I did go to the junkyard. We got the same car we had gotten the trunk lid from. We got a rear passenger door for his Subaru. I got passenger side skirt for my Subaru because my driver's side is good. And I'm not sure about my passenger one, if it's got all the clips on there or not. So I didn't want to risk it, and that one was $7. So I bought it, and because I'm going to mount this on the right way, I'm going to drill the holes, put the clips in. Got the Jeep in here because I just installed the CB radio. Josh has got the Evo for the week, so he's got his Volkswagen sitting outside. I'll show you what I did with the CB radio. I haven't got it wired in yet. There's the power wire. Mounted it right here, and then I got this thingy I'm gonna mount up here, I think. Boom. And then I have an external speaker. I took out the ashtray, which you can't really see, and mounted the external speaker right down here. Man, you can see much better. So took out the ashtray, put the external speaker there. That's much louder than the one that's built in. So I'm gonna tuck the power wires up and run them through and power them in probably later on this week. I did also do some more body work. Really dusty over here. You know how that we cut and welded a new piece in here, and then I filled it with Bondo, and I sanded it down for the most part. I still got some like pinholes that I gotta fill in with stage 3 putty, and then I'm gonna sand some more. I still got a little bit more sand. There's like a little hump right here I gotta sand down. A little bit more sanding, and then I can primer. Then I gotta still tray stack, cut that, pull the side skirt off. It's pretty clean under the side skirt except for on the edge here, which there's a Subaru in the junkyard that I got all the parts from. That corner piece is clean, so I'm gonna cut that off on there and just stick it up on here and weld it on. Well, cut it and weld. And then I'm gonna primer and paint the whole car, and then paint these, and then mount them on after I paint the whole car. I got the, as I call, roof bumps. Josh makes fun of me for that. I got these on here. I got the carbon fiber one here, but I also have an all black one that I may put on instead, which is right here. Did some changes to the interior. I had the double center console that had 2 little compartments. Both clips were broken. I found one at the junkyard and replaced it. The other top one was still broken and it was annoying me. So I found this one at the junkyard, which I really like. So got some trash in there, gotta clean out. So other than that, we didn't do a whole lot this weekend. Just hung out and talked. Next weekend, the whole crew's gonna be here. We're gonna hang out. We're definitely gonna film. My buddy Andrew and I, he's a Subaru friend. We've actually been talking about starting a new YouTube channel. So I'll tell you about that. Josh and I that started the Slipping Clutch page together. He's got the Evo. He's been working a lot, so we haven't had time to make many videos. So I really want to get into making videos. So I invited my friend to help make videos, and we just decided instead of we'll keep this channel with me and Alex, Slipping Clutch with me and Josh, and then me and him will make a new one. So we need some name ideas. So if anybody's got any ideas, shoot us a message. We're gonna start filming for that tomorrow, but probably won't upload it for a couple weeks. We gotta come up with a name, get quite a bit of footage put together. He's got a Subaru, so we're gonna focus the page on Subarus. We're both big Subaru enthusiasts. So anyways, link in the description to the Slipping Clutch below. The link to all of our Instagrams will be below, and once I get the link to the new channel, I'll put that below as well. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, sorry last week I didn't get a video. I'm gonna try to continue to get one every Tuesday uploaded. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe.